What's on the agenda for today, Tim?
Getting the new shocks in. We got the lift in. Gonna set it back down on the ground and start working on under hood stuff. Getting the rest of the wiring done, getting the piping done, and today we are gonna make the attempt to first start the truck, the engine. We need to add oil, put in the filters, put on the filters, and we have two things we gotta plug. We gotta plug the oil pressure sender, and we're gonna take the turbo off. Because we're not really ready to run the turbo, and you don't want to run the engine with the turbo hooked up with no oil. That's bad. So we'll just take the turbo off, we'll take the oil feed off, just plug it, and this thing should run.
Alright, we just did steering stable.
So I think the fan hub that we needed, the Dodge fan hub, which will come down instead of up, is here. We're going to test fit that and see if we can run a mechanical fan. That's the hope. Oh, there's the pretty box right there.
Expensive used part.
Oh, I was going to say, yeah, the bearing doesn't sound very good.
No, bearings.
Bearing's toast.
Here, John.
See, the difference is this one went way up and this one comes down, so it brings it perfectly centered with the Ford chassis because the crank is off center. Where in the bus it was high, so that would be sweet if we could run that fan. Is it moving?
Nope.
I think we could run that fan.
That would be amazing. I want that fan so bad.
I think we could run this fan. You know what? I wonder if we could put that hub in. Well, that's quite a bit different though.
Yeah, it is.
But that fan hub is in the perfect spot.
I know.
And if we can make, maybe we just have to find a different clutch,
Right.
that fan is going to clear. Very exciting. Spent more time running around picking up parts, but we got the drain for the air compressor welded in the side of the pan. Yeah, there's not really light down there. There you go. Just need to get a new hose for that. All the wiring is pretty well done. We just need to pretty it up a little bit. It's all shortened, and I need to make an adapter here for the temperature sensor. That'll go right there.
Yeah, because we went from
we went
those wires
we went from
to
100 wires to 6.
Yep.
So mainly it was wiring and plumbing. The fuel shutoff solenoid wiring is all done with a relay. I don't know if you can see over here, we got a relay wired in for the fuel shutoff, so that way it doesn't put a huge draw on the rest of the system. But we're very close to starting, just ran out of time today.